All right. So let me show you how I use the report and how I use the system. So what happens is this. After I logged in, here it show me all the assets like US companies as well as like cryptocurrencies that recently sold off, like going into discount because of whatever reasons. So then I will like start looking for cryptocurrencies like Ripple, Polkadot. There's like being surfaced by the system, being recommended like Dogecoin, Cardano. And then the ones I'm interested in, well, assuming like this buy signal is not like triggered off yet, then I'll just like click to watch. Like Shibu, I'm already watching. XRP, I'm also, okay, let's just watch this. And then that's all I need to do. Once I get the buy signal, when the rebound happens, then the system will just like send an email to me and I'll come in and just like click buy. And then I'll just like go do the same in my brokerage. Yeah, I'm not sure like which brokerage you're using. And then like this, then the system will just keep on monitoring until like the profit target is like achieved and is like, it does the exit and it sends me an email. So at that point, I'll just like exit my position as well and take my profit. So it's very simple and it's like very easy to use. Just wait for, after you click the watch, wait for the signal to buy. And after you click the buy, just wait for the signal to sell. And then that's it.